What's up, everybody? This is Gooniac. Doing a little bit of an unboxing, not totally in depth. Sorry if the sound's messed up. I'm doing this on my phone. There's my kitty. Hey, Dave's RC. Look, see, this is my cat. She looks similar to yours. It's a little she's a Maine Coon, small one, but she's still a Maine Coon. Anyway, take a look. Just opened up the box. Only took these little things off. The rest is still there, but just gonna go through the little bits and pieces so you can see. She's playing in the box. But anyway, let's get some of the parts out. So the wings are here. Just gonna pull those out, set them aside. Everything's pretty well done too. There's not a whole lot to do. Only thing I'm not really digging on are these quick connectors, unless they went through and actually fixed them. But yeah, so there's that. Set that aside. Plane looks pretty well put together. Not a whole lot to do. There's the screws. As far as I know, all it is screw together. I'm just gonna throw stuff. It's packaged really well. This is kind of a surprise. The spar is fiberglass, which I wasn't expecting, but plane flies good from what I've seen, so not worried about it. It's one of the tanks. I never use tanks or ordnance unless it's just for looks on the ground. There's missiles. Again, like I said, I don't use this stuff. Only for a static display. I don't like flying planes with stuff on them. It makes them heavy. Fly heavy. There's the vertical stab. Set that aside. Ignore the mess. I'm in plane mode, so I got stuff strewn everywhere. There's 3 tanks total, 3 big tanks, and then 2 sets of missiles. So there's another tank. Right here, I'm gonna set that over there with that stuff. This tank goes over there. This is I'm gonna put the ordnance to the side. Oh, oops, over there. All right, so other part. So as I was saying, that was a surprise seeing a fiberglass spar. But funny thing is, a lot of the spars that are on these planes nowadays, they are fiberglass. They just make them black. So you think that they're carbon fiber, but they're really fiberglass. Anyway, more than enough for this plane. There's the instructions. We'll be delving into those a little bit later. Not gonna do it on film. All I'm doing is pulling the parts out. So, magnetic nose cone. Set that aside. These are the horizontal stabs. Right here. I'm gonna get my big mitts in there to get them. There's 1. There's 2. There's my cat. Let's get back over there. All right, so now the fuse. Looks pretty good. Going to have a Firey Booty inserted pretty soon. We'll probably be changing out the motor as well to the new Platinum 2100 kV. So let's get that thing out of here. I'm gonna toss this out of the way. Izzy, sorry to scare you, but I gotta get this stuff out. Alright, so moving foam, look out, Izzy. Sorry, kitty. Alright. This is kind of a ragtag video, and I don't care because I just wanted to do a little bit of filming before I started pulling all this stuff apart, adding things on. Let me throw the nose cone on right now, since that doesn't require anything but bloop, and she's in place. Okay, so that's the plane. Need to run it up and see if the fan is out of balance, because most likely it is, because they haven't been doing very well with that lately. So set this thing up here for a second while I go get a stand for the camera. All right, so got that. Totally freaked out my cat. I think she's okay. So there's the plane. That's pretty much it. Not gonna put it together on film, but that's the plane. Those are the bits. As far as I know, just a few screws and it's together. Let's put that there. I was gonna open the hatch. There we go. Ooh, I like that. Okay. So there's a sequencer right there, or for LEDs and retracts. Yeah, sequencer. I like how they always include the Velcro for your battery if you want it. Nice long lead, because I usually like putting in a UBEC. That gives me room to do that. And I'm gonna have an afterburner in there. Not gonna do that today, but I will do it soon once I get all of my parts. But I am gonna put a Lemon RX in here. I prefer those. Much easier to set up, easier to run with. Plane looks good. That's about it. I tried to do a live stream, it won't let me do a live. Eventually I think I will. It might be something that I gotta change in my settings. But that's it. Take a look. This is a pretty cool plane. I got this plane from Pilot Ryan off of his affiliate link on Hobbyzone. So if you guys want, if you know what planes you like, be sure to check out Pilot Ryan's thing. I'm gonna put his link in my in the description here. Take a look at his stuff. Pretty much any plane you guys want from Eflite or Horizon Hobby or any of those places, he's got. I got this from him through Hobbyzone. Helps out a guy that's been in the hobby for a long time and actually trying to help people out. I want to help him out. You guys should do the same. All right, take a look. Bye.